Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect boards in Monday.com. So have you ever found yourself managing information across multiple Monday.com boards? Maybe you have separate boards for projects and clients or leads and deals. So now I'm going to tell you, I'm going to ask you a question. Wouldn't it be great to see how these boards relate to each other, to connect these boards? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. I'm going to walk you through the entire process. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. I really appreciate it. If you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe and like these videos. So I'll cover this. I'll cover how to connect boards and why it's useful, how to set it up in a few minutes. And plus, we'll explore the powerful mirror columns feature that lets you see key information from one board on another, saving you tons of time and effort. So, whether you're a Monday.com beginner or just sometimes a pro, a seasoned pro, this tutorial will show you how to take your workflow to really the next level. So, what you're gonna need to do is first, let's click on our project on our workspace, sorry. And here on our workspace, I have this board created. That's just a very simple board, nothing complicated. You can add here another one, new item, doesn't really matter, just for the now I'm going to show you where you need to go. So just click on here, add column, and here more columns, and then here we have connect. So just write connect, and here you're gonna see here connect boards, connect data from other boards. Simply as that, super simple. And you can also click on the plus here, then here you should see connect as well. That's usually what I do. And here select board. Now I'm going to select this one here, and then here create a mirror. Also here, when you click on sorry, when you click on this plus here and you click on connect boards and you click on select board, don't forget to select to check this create a two-way connection. And you can see here what it means, like a new column will be added on each of the selected boards. Items connected in one board will get automatically connected on the other board as well. So if you're something you don't know what's gonna do, you can hover over and on the eye icon, and you'll see what's gonna do. So here I found this very helpful when this is actually checked. So let's click on connect boards and create a mirror. You can now visualize data from your connected boards with a mirror column. It shows also this animation here, which makes sense. Like that's a great representation, I would say. Create a mirror column, and now we have here our linked. So we have here connected. So linked to this one, and then here we can see linked to start from scratch. And now let's say I will actually select all of this and I want to assign them as move to where is that one? Let's say move, let's say this one here. Now if I add a new item, I want them to assign to this one, move to the other group. And now I'm gonna here I'm gonna add this one, so this is will get assigned. So now when I add a new one, it should assign to move to another group. Okay, so here we can also see link to, okay, and then here we can see how many of the items are linked. So we can see there are 5, which is correct. And yeah, that's pretty much what you need to do. I hope you found this helpful. Now if you didn't find this video helpful, or you found this helpful but you want more details, uh, when I started using Monday.com, I've read this article. I'll leave this article in the description of this video. And yeah.